we have the Akyta webcam. Let's go ahead and open it. First thing on the box, you get your privacy cover screen. Comes with some tape on the bottom. Second thing up, they give you a tripod to use for your camera. So that's pretty cool. It's not the best tripod in the world, but it'll work to hold your camera up. They also give you a user manual. The Akyta comes in at $15. It shoots at 1080p, 30 frames per second. It has a 2.1 megapixel camera on it. It has auto low light. It shoots at a 110 degree angle. So what that means is it'll pick up everything that's in the 100 to 10 degree angle range. The camera itself is made out of plastic. It's definitely not the best plastic in the world, but it'll work. It has almost a 6-foot cord on it, and it's USB 2.0. Right here is where your microphone is, on this side. It says it has built-in noise reduction. This is your monitor stand, so you're going to hook this up to your monitor, and your monitor's just going to sit with it right there. It also has the option to turn into this position, so it can go pretty far. So if you have your monitor straight up, and say you need to angle it down for something, you can. Or if you needed to angle it up more, you can also do that too, which is pretty cool. On the bottom of your monitor stand, there is a tripod screw mount, so you can go ahead and put your tripod in there. And just set it up the way you want. It's not going to stand up that great because I have the cord bundled up, but it'll work. Let's go ahead and plug this thing in and try it out.
Okay, so this is the Akyta. Okay, so this is the Akyta? I'm not sure how to say it, but anyways, how it looks straight out of the box. I am super impressed. I have been doing multiple camera reviews, so if you check out my other camera reviews, we're in the same class, it's because it's all on the same day. And so far, this one I like. I still have one more to review, but yeah, so if you're interested in cheap cameras, check them out. They should be up sometime. I'm planning on posting them all about the same time, in 1 week. But anyways, yeah, this camera looks really good. I'm surprised. I'm like, whoa, this has like the less pixelation than I've seen on most of the other cameras, and it comes in at $15. And I just reviewed a $25 one, so yeah, it looks really good. But yeah, so let's get on with it. This is the light that it's coming through the window is open, and I also have a desk light on that I will show you. Boop. And yeah, so let's go ahead and go to the low light test. So this is the low light test. So far, I only have the blinds closed, the light off in the front of my desk, and so far, it's not looking good. The monitors are still on, obviously, so you'll get a little bit of light from there. But I haven't even closed the blackout curtains yet, and you can hardly see me, so that's not good. You can see my puppy moving over there, but that's because the blackout curtains aren't closed yet. So let's go ahead and close it all up, turn off that light that Link has up there, and we'll see how it looks. So this is with the lights all off. As you can see, you can barely see me. But all the lights that are on are just the ones from the monitor. The blackout curtains are closed, and Link's light's off, and the desk light is not on, obviously. So this camera doesn't seem like it works very good in low light conditions, but if you have light on, it seems like it works pretty good. Let's go ahead and turn one on, see how that looks. Bam. Yeah, so with just like one desktop light on, it should be pretty good. This is a streaming light that I have on. I have a video for that too. Everything back on, windows back open, lights back on. Let's go ahead and move to a mic test. Okay, so this is a test for the microphone, and hopefully you guys can hear me okay. I'm not sure how it's picking up. I'm like delayed still, it's in the same spot. So let's see how that sounds. As you can tell, it's a different day. I went back through the recordings when I was editing, and I forgot to fix my mic back correctly. So that's my fault, it's not the camera's. But anyways, let's talk about that mic. That mic does not sound good at all. You can hardly hear anything, so that's not very good. But yeah, the picture quality is good. So let's go ahead and do a focus test. I have Dino Duck right here. Say hello to Dino Duck. And he's gonna help us do our focus test. So The camera is a fixed focused, but let's go ahead and see if it'll actually focus on Dino Duck while we're doing this. And as you can tell, it's not changing its focal length, so it's a fixed focus. Let's move on to the effects test. Here I added a LUT. So a LUT is an effect that you can add. It only took me about 5 seconds to add, and all it does is make the color saturation look better. You can do a lot of crazy things with effects, like change the color to purple if you want it to be purple, or just kind of make it look nicer. So that's what I did in this case. So as you can see, this is the original, and this is with the LUT. So it makes the colors go down a little bit, and it looks more saturated and nice. This is the image quality if you were going to stream. Now, the image quality looks really good, especially if you're actually streaming with it, because usually you'd have it set up like this with a small camera screen, and then your game would be the background. So I would say it's a thumbs up for streaming. With the image smaller, you can actually not see as many pixels, which is cool. Even though this camera, like, you couldn't really see that many pixels when it was big, it looked really good too, so that's cool. This is a couch test for the Akyta. This is a test to just show you the degree of the camera of which it shoots. It is an arm's length away. My final thoughts on this camera is that it's a decent camera for $15. Like, you get good image quality. I don't see that many pixels when it's big. And yeah, I would just say don't use it for low light conditions, and don't use it for the microphone, because as we've seen, the microphone did not work that great. So make sure you have an external mic like I have right here, or you can use a headset or just something else to get that better audio, so you're not sounding really bad when you're in your conferences, or if you're just using it to stream with or something. So if you guys have any comments, leave them down in the comment section below and I will get back to you. I'm pretty good at it. And I like answering your guys' comments. So I'm Emma Specnreviewz, and I'll catch y'all later. Bye!